We're already a week into this year, and have you been keeping up to your drawing, your sketchbook? If not, well, let me try and inspire you. Hey, welcome back. This is Cetriya, Cetriya, and if you haven't been checking my community post, or perhaps you're new here, well, I've been posting sort of a soft mini challenge for you guys and some inspiration. So first off, we're going to start with just setting a short timer. It's not required. That's not how the challenge is set up, but basically it's just mostly to get you warmed up for the year and hopefully a little bit more productive than last year. So I'm just setting a quick 15 minutes for each drawing session. That way I don't feel overwhelmed, and at the same time it's enough time for me to get maybe some ideas down. Like I said, if you haven't been checking the community post, I posted a list of a Move Your Hand Sketchbook Challenge. There's not exact end date for it, but you want to keep a decent schedule. And I thought that it would be easier to basically overcome some art block maybe some of you have by posting different mood inspiration boards for you guys so you could get yourself drawing. I know a lot of times that once you're getting into trying to go back to drawing again, you're just kind of stuck of not knowing what to draw. And I've found that, especially when I've been thinking about looking back on my last year, that I haven't really been just sitting there and warming up my brain to continue and drawing and practicing and trying new things. So I really thought that perhaps you guys might want be maybe you just want something to just kind of give yourself a push. And there's been a lot of like sketchbook, overcoming art block, how to fill your sketchbook. And even I've posted a few videos. So if you're interested in that, I'll be sure to link them. But I figured I'd go a step above and actually giving you an inspiration board or a mood board, as they call it in a lot of design fields. That's basically what I do at my day job. I basically draw on order, or else I wouldn't have a job. But usually they assign me like an inspiration board, so that way I can take some kind of inspiration or some sort of design direction. So if I don't know what to do, I'll just go right in and draw it. So perhaps for you guys, I decided to make just some simple words. It's not no hard and fast rule. And as you can see, I took something as simple as florals and decided to do a beautiful headdress and look up maybe some more research such as magnolias and things like that. Or the other mood board that I posted, which was about just general jungle art, because I've been noticing that a lot in home decor, in clothes, or just walking through shops. And that's another idea. Maybe sometimes, window shopping for a little bit. Hopefully you have good control over your credit card and your purse, don't want to be spending what you shouldn't be spending. But sometimes just to see what's out there and trying new things. For example, I don't really draw animals at all. Actually, I don't draw animals at all, but it's good to just try and test things out and not be scared of the limitation. And that's really what's great about a sketchbook. You can see I'm not doing anything fancy here. There's nothing super, awesome, cool. And it's obvious that I don't draw these things on a regular. And it's just okay to just add some, marking, some sketches, some doodles. I think too many times that maybe you've seen some sketchbook walkthroughs or flip throughs and you're thinking, oh my God, their sketchbook is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I wish I can fill my sketchbook that way. But honestly, artists can tend to have more than one sketchbook. You have the super finalized artwork, and then you just have things that you do a quick doodle like I'm doing right here with this yoga girl, because I've been really into fitness and I decided to take the beach concept as the yoga beach kind of thing. But you can see right here, I'm just doing something loose, just, warming my brains up. I feel comfortable here, testing out materials that I haven't tried in a while. And you can tell that it's just something simple and loose, but maybe perhaps later on I come up with some cool illustration ideas such as I'm having here. This one was real fun. I had to come back to this theme. So some of the themes you don't have to do in order, but it's just helpful to just have that list. And for some themes, it might take a while for you to come up with an idea. So I actually had skipped this moon theme at first and decided a little later, oh, that's what I'm going to do. Combination of things like the cats and the moons and the stars and stuff. Sometimes you want to mix things in, but yeah, you might just have a little bit of a blockage when you come to some of the themes, but at least you mentally have a direction of where you want to go, and you just put down a quick sketch for perhaps future works that you might want to do a full illustration. I've been known to go back to like old artwork and redrawing and just getting your brain nice and warmed up for today. So here I'm just going to show a quick overview of kind of what I did, messing around with different kind of tools, and that's what I am hoping to inspire you guys. You don't have to worry about finalizing things. You don't have to put yourself on pressure, and I have limited time as it is, so I just set it for 15 minutes for each artwork, and some of it I put a little extra time and others I didn't do as much time. The whole point is to keep your hands moving, keep your brain nice and warmed up, and just going in and enjoying the process. Don't put pressure on yourself. And if you are looking for some inspiration to help fill your sketchbook, again, just check out my community tab. And there I'll be posting different mood boards until I get towards the end of the list. There is no pressure, and by all means feel free to post your comments or even your suggestions for art topics or illustration ideas. And if YouTube allows, feel free to post your IG and Instagram handle, and I will definitely take a look at seeing some of the artwork that you posted. And be sure to use the hashtag that's posted in the description. I believe it's like keep your hand movings or move your hands. But you'll see again in the description. Anyhow, guys, I hope you are starting off your year nice and full and supercharged. And throughout the year, we'll keep each other nice and motivated. So all the best, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. So be sure to subscribe. Best of luck.